Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. Here we have three polarizers and the light is passing through these polarizers, and the question is asking what is going to be the intensity after the light passes through the third polarizer, right? So we are trying to find this I3. Now let's see how we can find it. So in order to do this one, first of all we have to know that when the light passes through the first polarizer, it loses half of its intensity. So I1 will become half I naught. So the first one is going to be always half, right? It doesn't matter how many polarizer we have. When the light passes through the first one, it's always going to be half of its value. Then after that, what's going to happen is it's going to reduce like this. We are going to use a different equation, that is I2 is going to be equivalent to cos square theta 1. So after the first one, it's always going to go like this, right? So for the third one, we are going to use cos square theta 2, like it goes like this. Now let's go ahead and find this value, right? Now we know that this is 45 degree. So this is basically the angle between first and the second polarizers. And this is angle between the second and the third polarizers, right? Now to find this one, we have to plug this angle. Now let's go ahead and plug this angle and see what we get. So this is actually I1 cos square theta 1, right? I1 cos square theta 1 and I1 cos square theta 1 is going to be 45 degree, and if you plug this value you should get 0.5 I1. Now if you want to write this one in terms of I naught, again we know that I1 is going to be half of I naught, so we can replace this I1 with 0.5 I naught. So that's going to give us 0.5 times 0.5 I naught, and if you calculate this one you will end up with 0.25 I naught. Now the question is asking for the I3, right? So we have to do this again. Like we are going to use this equation again, that is I3 is going to be equivalent to I2 cos square theta 2. Now I2 remains the same and cos square is going to be cos square, and the theta again is 45 degree. So this is going to be 45, and that's going to give us again 0.5 I2. And we know that 0.5 I2 is 0.25 I naught, so we can replace this I2 with this value. So that's going to give us 0.5 times 0.25 I naught, and if you calculate this one you will end up with 0.125 I naught. And if you want to give this in percentage, all you have to do is multiply this one by 100, and if you multiply you will get 12.5 percentage I naught. So the third intensity is going to be 12.5 percentage of initial intensity, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next time.